All right, now we're going to prepare our stock. So we're going to add about 2 cups of water. And put that on about 6. We're going to turn that down later, but for right now, we're going to start. We're going to put just a little bit of salt because the shells themselves should have some salt. The reason why we did not dice the celery or these carrots very much is that we're really just looking for their flavor. We're going to be straining them out later on. So I'm going to add those in there. And then the same thing with our garlic and our onions. And then we're going to add our shrimp shells and stir them up. And once it starts to boil, we're going to turn the heat down and let it simmer.